Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. It's been a very long time, almost a month, since you've been getting your weekly updates from Gwaan. You can add my Instagram page, Gwaan Dancehall, and you can get your daily updates with culture, entertainment, and music. Last week, Shenseea signed with Rich Immigrant, which is also under the record label of Interscope Records, which is run by Russian. Shenseea celebrated her success with releasing her song Blessed featuring hip-hop artist Type. Within 2 days, the video reached up to 2 million views, which is amazing for her. Go Goody, you're making us proud. So I've reported this plenty of times before about the Rihanna album, and she confirmed the name of the album will be R9 and it will be a reggae and dancehall album, which if you've been following Gwaan Dancehall for the last year, we've been reporting that for a very long time. But also who's hitting up Rihanna is Coffee. It is said that she will be one of the writers on the album as well. She might even have a feature, who knows? But you know what, Coffee, big up yourself. Also, more news with Coffee. She just recently released a video for Rapture featuring Governor in their hometown of Spanish Town. Yeah, goody, my love we are do. Yeah, but here's a sneak peek of that video. Look up, see that?
Give her the mic and give her 4 minutes, yeah. And just listen while she flow lyrics, yeah. Coffee and the coffee, me said no gimmicks. She a pro with it, treat the rhythm like she grow with it.
Kamar Khan officially released the video for So Saucy a couple days ago. Here's a clip of that.
Oh bless you, my fly like bird time, them I invest and I welcome me to them nest. Oh me so clean, so saucy. You know my tees and my jeans so saucy. Every kick on my beat so saucy. Call me king in the streets, come saucy. Oh me so clean, so saucy.
So Epic Jones is going very well with this rhythm. So as you all know, he produced the song Cool It with Spice, as well as Make It Clap with Cyclone and Conscience. But there's a new song on that rhythm, which is 10 Pounds by Aishana. Here's a clip of what she released on it.
Me pussy fat round a back. Me pussy fat round a back. Me pussy fat round a back. Round a back. Me pussy fat round a back. Me pussy fat round a back. 10 pound fat round a that. When you a stab it, no matter don't stop. Just stop me like a Donia song. Pussy shaving a ear like Junior.
Big up Charlie Bax and his new success. Party Animal has been certified gold in the United States. As you all know, that song came out a few years ago, and as you can see, it's still running the place internationally. Big up yourself, because you're definitely unstoppable, Mr. A few weeks ago, Spice and Vybz Kartel released another banger hit called Backway, and they recently released a video for that. Here's a sneak peek of the video.
She love turn back weird. Can't tell the pressure but the pum pum brave.
The man ya look slave. Wood fire up in a me.
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment. And again, be sure to add the Gwaan Dancehall page for daily updates in dancehall entertainment and culture.